gentlemen, this is the 6-station conveyor system, and that is the original concept what we created. Because of the space restriction, we have created 3 stations. The first station is loading station, the second station is the assembly operation, the third station is unloading station. And in this, we have 3 proximity sensor, PNP proximity sensor, and they are all connected to Siemens S7 1500 PLC controller. And basically we have a 24-volt DC motor which is connected, so therefore we need a conductor and the relay switches out there, okay, and they are all connected to the PLC controller. Okay, now let's look at the working principle, and if you see it, we have 2 things. One is manual and then the other one is auto mode. The manual is just for verifying whether the conveyor system working or not, forward position and the reverse position. When you look at that auto mode, the homing button, when I click on it, wherever this is a pallet, and wherever it is in the conveyor system, it is supposed to come back to the first station. We call it PS1, proximity sensor 1 is called station number 1. It's supposed to come, and then once it has come, we have a metallic element underneath the conveyor system. Once it's touch on it, it's going to come and stop. That's called homing position. And then what we do is we have to click on auto start. Once you selected the auto start, and it's supposed to start moving from PS1 station, and it has to go to PS2 station, and then it will stop. It will stop for X number of minutes. That is the assembly time to for the given application we have selected 10 seconds. Whatever that application, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we can customize it. In this given demo, it's for 10 seconds. It will stop, and the operator is supposed to install whatever necessary action he has to do in the station. Once he has done, he has to do nothing. The pallet will move by itself. It goes to station number 3, and this is the unloading station. Again, the operator will come and take the station and unload it. That is his operation. And again, it will stay. The pallet will stay for the given X number of seconds or minutes. We can customize it. Again, for the demo, we have set it up for 10 seconds. Once it's done, we don't need to do anything. Automatically, the conveyor system will take you back to the original position PS1, and then loading raw material, you top it up and then keep continuing. And there is one additional feature we have added out here, is called auto continue. When you click on auto continue, whatever I was explaining you, this will continue forever, so we keep on doing it. And when you stop this is like an emergency button, or we could call it auto stop. When you click on auto stop, it's like an emergency button. Now with this introduction, let's look at it, how it functions. Okay, so now it is standing in between station 1 and 2, and I am pressing homing. Once it's homing, you can see it is coming back to the original position. Okay, so I'm just going to be leaving it, and the magnet is supposed to stop. And now this is at the loading station. You will put the raw material, whatever X number of things you are supposed to do it. And once it's done and everything is ready, now press auto start. Once it's started, the station will start moving by itself, and it will go to station number 2 for the operator to assemble. And assume that it has come, and it stops here, and the operator will start carrying out his task. and I'm not doing anything. It's just after 10 seconds it starts moving by itself. It's coming to station number 3. And when it has reached the unloading station, the operator is supposed to do whatever the X number of action. Once you have done, automatically it has to go back to station number 1. And even if nothing will happen in station number 2, even if I do anything, nothing will happen in the keep. Okay, now why do I use the metallic object over the sensor? We are supposed to have a metal object underneath the pallet, and which is not there as is supposed to be done. So once come to station number 1, and it will stop, and you can continue. With that, we have automated, a conveyor system, and as I discussed earlier, a 1.5 acre assembly line, we converted this into 45 feet by 25 feet, and you don't need such a 1.5 acre. Okay. Thank you very much.